Hey guys, today we received this keypad door lock for reviewing purposes, and it's a really nice set that you can use with your fingertip, a code, or with the key that comes included. We get the instruction manual with all the important information about how to install it, all the things that comes included, which I think that it's nice. As you can see, it comes packaged with all the pieces that we're gonna need to do this installation, which I think that it's great. As you can see in here, we got the set of keys that we're gonna use because that we need them. And this is the arrow pad with the code and the fingertip reader. As you can see, we are going to install it upon this door. So let's go. And as you can see, what I like is that the installation process is actually really simple, and it has a universal fit, so you can place it upon any kind of standard doors. It has a really nice functions like the automatic door function that you can set it up. It can store up to 50 unique fingerprints, and you can use it with 20 different codes for your family. You can place a one-time code for any kind of visitors, which I think that it's nice. And it even has a anti-peep function, so you can add random numbers before and after your real code, and that way you can fool anyone. And I also like that you can select easily between the normal auto lock function and the unlock mode for parties or any kind of event where many people are come in and out. Once that we have it ready, we can test it out. As you can see, it's locked, but we're gonna first thread the fingertip, okay? We place it upon the fingertip reader and we can unlock it. As you can see, it turns green and we can open it up now. And we're gonna close it again. And as I've said, it has an automatic lock function. I set it up for a total of 15 seconds, so let's wait. Once it locks by itself, we can test it out once again. And in this case, we're gonna try with the code. I'm gonna place it in and try once again to open. We can see that it unlocks with the code, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead and test the key. With it, you just have to open it like regularly, and you can open it up without having to place the code or the fingertip, which I think that it's nice. Lastly, I'm gonna use the one-time code for the first time. In this case, it will be the only time that it will work. As you can see, it opens up, and once that we close it again, it won't work even if we try to place it one more time. By placing it a second time, we are going to make sure that it won't work this time. And well, overall, I think that it's a really nice one. It has many different functions, and overall, I like it a lot, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.